Hello and thank you for checking out my RasPiPkr channel. I'm Martin Parker, and in this video we're going to continue with implementing the buttons into the main script that's running on the LCD touchscreen. So in the previous video we created these two buttons using GIMP software and we put them in there. So what I'll do at the moment is just print out to here which button I've pressed on, and it would go to them menus when it gets created. So what I want to do is bring that into the main script, which is here. So if I just quickly run this, you'll see what state of play that is currently in. So it gives you, this is like a screensaver that will be on the display all the time. So it's a dark sort of thing. Notice how I'll bring my mouse in. It's not in that display, that's programmed out. And also when you start the script, it actually positions the mouse just about here inside that box. But if I go slightly above, it goes into the button, and that's why it's doing that. But basically when you click the button, that's where it would go to the main menu. So this is just basically for test purposes, and then after 15 seconds when I clicked that button, it will then go back to the screensaver like so. So let's just stop that, get rid of that because we don't need that. So this is the script, and that is the main menu that just brings up that time and the date. So what I want to do is get rid of these two buttons, labels, sorry, and I want to bring over all of this. So I'll copy that and paste that into there and sort the indentation out. What I also want to do is bring these little functions over so that something shows when you click on them buttons, just for the time being. I'll just put them there for now. So what happens was the menu screen, this is the way that it works out when you're in the time period. So it gives that at least 15 seconds and then it will go back to the screensaver. So these states have to be true, but the last touch is when you touch it. So I need to implement this into that function so that it gives me that 15 seconds whenever I press the appropriate buttons in the menu. So I'm just going to copy that and pop in here, and I want to global my last touch and then paste that in. And I want this to be in the following function as well. So I'll copy that, put that there, and that should be about it. So let's run that and see if we have any problems. So there's the screensaver, and if I touch on there, oh dear, what did I forget? I know what I've done. In this software I'm not using a frame in this script, sorry, but in this script I am using a frame, and I haven't put them into the actual frame, because what I do is I clear the frame by deleting it, and then I create another one straight away, and that's how I create my new state of window. So it should work now. You live and you learn, you make mistakes, you learn from your mistakes, hopefully. So there we go. This is the main menu. If I leave it another 10 seconds or less, it should go back to that time and date, sorry, the screensaver time, There we go. And then if I click in there again, we'll wait a few seconds, and then if I click on one of these buttons here, it'll print out. So I'll click on heating, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, there you go. I counted pretty well. Well impressed. So there we go. So that is changing that over. But let's do this again. So we'll click one of the buttons. And then we'll click the security. And then that should do the same. So that is pretty much it for this video, and in a few seconds it will go back to the screensaver. Awesome. So next time I will start building on my heating menu, and then after that I'll be doing my security menu. Thank you for watching. Hello, this is just a quick extension to video, and basically I've made a change. The script, the buttons that I'm using in my main menu, I've changed the text to be black rather than yellow. So I recreated them buttons. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And then you're up to speed. Thank you.